Starting around 23 June 2023, Chiliz sort of is exchanging at $0.076 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3%. In most recent 60 minutes, CHZ for the most part has an all-out market cap of $531,035,133, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,593,509, which really is very huge. This for the most part makes Chiliz, CHZ, certainly positioning at 72 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz in every way that really matters be, all things considered, worth in 2023 in a sort of large manner? Is Chiliz an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will CHZ cost really outperform its unequaled high, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking? These in every way that really matters are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future, genuinely further appearance how starting around 23 June 2023. Chiliz sort of is exchanging at $0.076 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chiliz estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $0.087, the normal least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the buy and large current year, ought to be $0.084 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, CHZ can arrive at a greatest value level of $0.094, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chiliz value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is supposed to especially be at around a kind of least of $0.065, or so they especially thought. Chiliz cost can explicitly arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.074, with the very normal cost of $0.072 in United States dollars, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz, CHZ, value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Chiliz really is by and large anticipated to sort of arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.074, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.077 and an in every practical sense, least of $0.071, which especially is very critical. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chiliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.080, or so they basically thought. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.076 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Chiliz value expectation September 2023. Chiliz cost explicitly is supposed to by and large reach between $0.076 to $0.083 in September 2023, while the really normal cost of CHZ for the September in a real sense stays around $0.079. Chiliz, CHZ, value forecast October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chiliz cost generally is gauged to arrive at a vera the least cost of $0.079, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.087, with the typical expected cost around $0.081, which especially shows that besides CHZ, can arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.094, which basically is very critical. Chiliz value figure November 2023. The especially normal cost of Chiliz, CHZ, could in a real sense go to $0.084 toward the finish of November 2023, exhibiting that Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chiliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.080, or so they generally thought. CHC could especially be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.090, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.080, which basically is genuinely critical. Chiliz, CHC, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Chiliz value is figured to generally arrive at a barely the most reduced cost of $0.084, which truly is very huge. The CHC cost could in every practical sense arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.094, with the typical expected cost around $0.087, or so they basically thought. Chiliz past value examination and the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been truly diminished by 1.78% in its extremely current worth, so Chiliz, CHC, value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Chiliz certainly is for the most part anticipated to truly arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.074, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.077 and an exceptionally least of $0.071. In the event that we especially look at the kind of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap really is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. From very most recent 7 days, the CHC truly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.73%, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Chiliz in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for truly of potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and especially put resources into a truly significant way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC certainly diminished by 45.926%, wiping out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0.064 from its essentially current worth, which by and large is very huge. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a fundamentally decent, essentially purchase an open door for kind of fast speculation, showing how might CHC cost especially outperform its unsurpassed by and large high in a quite huge manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 45.14%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a base especially normal cost of 13 cents to truly greatest by and large normal cost of 14 cents in the beyond 90 days, showing how Chiliz, CHC, value expectation 2023, as per the Chiliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHC cost certainly is supposed to for the most part cross an essentially normal value level of $0.087, the normal especially least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.084. Incredibly, Chiliz essentially is somewhere near 27.66% with the greatest certainly normal cost of the coin. For the most